First, a little bit about me. Yep, that's me. I grew up in Massachusetts and now live in Washington, D.C. I'm a competitive individual who enjoys playing sports, spending time with family, and real estate. I have been involved in real estate since receiving a civil engineering degree over 2 decades ago. I started my career in Boston for a general contractor as a project manager, managing challenging projects from dormitories to the largest mixed-use renovation ever performed in Boston, to high-rise apartment buildings, to multi-million-dollar condos. When the market crashed in 2008, I relocated to Washington, D.C. After a few more years building some pretty cool and challenging projects, I realized working 60-plus hours a week to make someone else millions was getting old. So in 2012, I began working for a commercial developer where I continued to oversee the construction of more really cool projects. But I was also getting a free education on becoming a real estate developer and investor. After reading Rich Dad, Poor Dad, that was the tipping point. I'd previously owned properties and had a rental here and there, but it was time to look toward my family's future and acquire some properties for our own portfolio and build passive income. So in 2013, 7E Investments was born. Our first project was to build our personal residence. My wife and I were general contractors on the project and moved in under 6 months from demolishing the existing house. We then went out to acquire several dilapidated properties, which we renovated and now hold as rental properties. We were very successful, but were not able to scale the business with the professional full-time jobs and family, so we began researching alternative investments. This is when we discovered note investing. Having spent my entire career in real estate and having managed over $750 million in development, I was unaware that you could be the bank. I thought, man, this is awesome. Since that spring day in 2016, when we decided to be the bank, we have been able to scale our business into a multi-million-dollar investment firm where we are defining the passive and active investor experience. To learn more about how we are redefining the investor experience, please email or call us as we look forward to hearing from you.